Shit. I was out here smoking a cigarette and I almost had a fucking panic attack because right behind me was a big firework popped and scared the shit out of me. They're just chilling, watching videos of white elephant. Oh! Oh! Okay. That's a little bit too close for comfort. But at least I got some fireworks. Let's back up a little bit. Wow. I almost fell off my chair. Now we're getting somewhere with the fireworks. Oh, my heart. Is that it? Oh. Whoa! I'm freezing to death. But this is so worth it. I don't think I'm gonna get any sleep tonight, but you know, at least I have some pretty fireworks to watch. I'm so tired today. Ooh. Holy shit. Well, this is awesome. 2025. Ooh, I should have got my jacket. Be patient. There should be another one. Come on. Come on. I'm freaking cold. Fireworks. 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 Boy. Ooh. Oh, wow. That's really close. God, I hope our house will get on fire. I'm going to back up a little bit more so I can show you the full fireworks because it's so big. I'm going to get so sick. I think I'm already getting sick, y'all. But like I said, it's worth it. At least one more. Come on. Let's go. One more firework. Yeah. Whoa. I gotta wait a little bit more. Come on. So excited. Okay, one more I promise, and I'm getting my jacket. Firework. Firework. Come on. Oh, it's going now. They're all over the place. Oh, that light is... I need to turn that light off. Wow. Well, Happy New Year's, everyone. Bye.